We will wait for some times. Let other students come. Good morning, students. As you know, we have covered 3 chapters of Social Science Unit 1. All topics are interconnected. We did globes and maps, latitudes and longitudes, and weather and climate. On the whole, you have learnt about the Earth. Today, I am going to teach you and we will talk about major landforms of the Earth. So chapter 4, major landforms. The Earth's surface is made up of land and water, means land continents and water oceans. 3/4 of the Earth's surface is covered by water and 1/4 is covered by land. Means if the Earth's 4 parts are there, the 3 parts of the Earth is covered by water and only 1 part of the Earth is covered by land. So we will study about various landforms on the Earth and their features, their qualities, their importance. The Earth is not same at all places. At some places it is high, while at other places it is low. This variation in the Earth's surface makes various landforms. So landforms are also known as relief features. Relief features are related to landscape or the area. Landforms are the natural shapes of or features called landforms. So what are the landforms? Landforms are the natural already created shapes or features or qualities, characteristics called landforms. There are many different types of landforms found on the earth. Some of the major landforms are mountains, plateaus, plains, deserts, and rivers. So, the first are major landform, mountains. A mountain is a place on earth surface that is much higher than the land around it. So, mountains are the landforms that rise above the sea around them. As earlier I told you, we are measuring the heights of the mountains according to the land above the sea level. So mountains are the landforms that rise above the area around the sea, around them. They are very high. Mountains normally have steep and sloping sides. The top of a mountain is called its peak. The straight with the top is there, we call it peak. Peaks may be conically or round in shape. Hills are small mountains that are not very high. See, a hill is a land higher than the land around it, but it is lower than a mountain. Hills may be formed by build-up of rocks, debris, or sand deposited by glaciers and winds. Debris means piece of the rocks or the sand scattered here and there when they join together because of wind and form the hills. So, hills may be formed by the buildup of rocks, debris of sand deposited by glaciers and the wind. Glacier, the snow, when you have seen the snow in the mountains, so when it melts and comes to the rivers and the layers formed, that are glaciers. And sometimes because of wind carry these scattered species of silt, sand, and form the hills. Hills may be created by faults or slight cracks on the earth, which can cause earthquakes. Because of earthquakes, the earth cracks. That means faults. These faults creates the cracks in the earth. So maybe hills are created by the faults of a slight crack on the earth because of earthquakes. So the qualities of the mountain, characteristics of the mountains. The peak of the mountains remain covered with snow. जो top of the mountain होता है वो snow से cover रहता है for most of the year. So there is little or no vegetation. जहाँ तो बहुत कम plants होते हैं, जहाँ तो बिल्कुल ही नहीं होते. Due to extreme weather, very cold or very high conditions, the mountainous areas of the world are generally less populated, thin populated. यही कारण है कि उन एरिया में कम पॉपुलेशन होती है. यहाँ तो वो वहां पे बहुत ज्यादा ठंड होती है, स्नो होती है. That's why people mostly live on foothills, low hills base, and the lower parts of the mountains. Mountains पे तो वो रहेंगे नहीं. Mountains के बीच में slopes होती हैं, फिर नीचे hills होती हैं, उसको हम foot hills बोलते हैं, जो land के साथ touch कर रही होती है. तो वहां पे लोग रहते हैं. Mountains form a natural barrier against cold and hot winds. जो mountains हमें बचाते भी हैं, prevents करते हैं हमें, किससे? cold और hot winds जो चलती है वो barrier बन जाते हैं, वो obstacle बन सकते हैं ताकि वो cold winds हम तक पहुंच ना पाए. Mountains are the source of many rivers. When snow melts, it forms water. That means source of many rivers. The thick forest found in the mountain slopes and rich in wildlife. Thick forest with many trees and having slopes. The wildlife sanctuary is found here. Wildlife means wild animals are found here. They are also a rich source of minerals like gold, silver, metals, which are very useful for us. In these areas, they are rich source of minerals. The areas around mountains develop into important tourist spots, as we are going to see the mountainous areas, hilly areas, to watch the view, to watch the scenery. So we can say the mountains are also, these areas are also, hilly or mountain areas also tourist spots. The peoples from different countries, different places are visiting there to enjoy the view of the mountains, view of this mountainous sea. So I will show you a video. Please watch carefully and try to understand the things.
Mountains.
Jenny, look, I have drawn a mountain. How is it? Joe, that's a hill, not a mountain. Mountains are much
Now
bigger
you
than hills.
understood, mountains are bigger than the hills. Hills are smaller and mountains are bigger, more height.
Come, let me show you how mountains look. Look, a mountain is an elevated landform that is much higher than its surrounding areas. Mountains have a pointed peak, steep sides, and a rocky terrain. Elevated landform that is much higher than its surrounding areas. Mountains have a pointed peak, steep sides, and a
You can see mountains on your screen. See at the top of the mountain, pointed peak. ये pointed है, but here see the shape. This is a rounded shape. Steep sides. ये थोड़ी raise है और थोड़ी slope कर रही है. Then the rocky place, you can say, rocky terrain, we can say rocks are there down.
rocky terrain. This is a mountain range. It is a chain or a group of naturally elevated land masses. The Alps, the Andes, and the Himalayas.
So a group of mountains that are joined together forms a mountain range. The Himalayas, the Alps, and the Andes are examples of mountain range. They form the chain of mountain range. Mountains differ in height and shape. You can see here also, see the height and shape is different. All three different shapes you can see. This happened due to their age. For example, the Himalayas are new mountains. So they are very high mountains and sharp peak, pointed peak. On the other hand, the Aravallis are very old mountains. So they are smaller in height with rounded peaks, means pointed peaks.
Are some of the longest mountain ranges in the world. As you can see in this picture, the vegetation in the higher altitudes is scanty since the climate there is too harsh. But down on the mountain slopes, there are thick forests that are home to many animals and birds. The lower parts and the foothills of the mountain.
These are we called foothills. See, low hills base. Hills हैं लेकिन low areas में. Mountains are very high and hilly areas we can say, and the foothills. Hills के पैरों में लोग रहते हैं, जहाँ की वहाँ पे hills भी है और land भी है.
Mountains are usually inhabited by people. Here, people practice terrace farming. Do you know, Joe? Mountains are very useful to us. Mountains act as a natural barriers against cold and hot winds. They also provide us with fresh drinking water. How does water come down from the mountains? The higher altitudes of snow-capped mountains consist of many glaciers. As the glacier flows down, the ice from these glaciers melts into water and joins a river. The river then brings us fresh drinking water. Rivers are the largest source of fresh water. Wow, Jenny! I will now draw a scenery with mountains having glaciers, trees on their slopes, and houses at the foothills.
Yes. Now I move forward with the second major landform, plateaus. A plateau is a flat area higher than the land around it. A plateau is a highland, but with a flat top. जैसे टेबल की टॉप होता है उस तरह प्लेट्यू का टॉप होता है और ये थोड़ा लैंड से हाई होता है. So it also known as tableland. So another name of the plateau is tableland. They are separate from the surrounding areas by steep slopes. थोड़ी सी स्लोप होती है, फिर वो इस एरिया से सेपरेट होके एक फ्लैट टॉप बनता है as a table, and that's why we call it tableland. Several rivers flow through plateaus. In some areas, the rivers run down and water falls due to the steep slopes. Maybe sometimes you have seen the waterfalls when you are going out in the tourist spots, hilly areas. You have seen the two hills and in between the waterfalls is there. That means they are plateaus and in which waterfalls, the rivers are forming there. So the vegetation, see, plateaus. A plateau is a large highland area of fairly level land separated from surroundings land by steep slopes. कैसे उसको डिफरेंट करता है? Steep slopes के कारण उसको अलग कर देता है. That means, and in between rivers flows. Some plateaus, like the plateau of Tibet Plateau, lie between the mountain ranges. Others are higher than surrounding lands. Plateaus are widespread, फैले हुए हैं वो, and together with enclosed basins, they covered about 45% of the earth land surface. Basins are the bowls like water. Water के बने होते हैं, ये rivers होती हैं, जो एक तरफ पहाड़ है, दूसरी तरफ भी hills हैं, and बीच में क्या जा रहे हैं, उनके base से rivers flow कर रही है, और वो rivers flow करते हुए they are joining the other tributaries. Other छोटी-छोटी rivers को join करती है, and they cover about 45% of the earth land surface. So canyons are also there. So a canyon is a deep valley with very steep slides. एक valley होती है, इसकी steep slides होती है, raise and then down slides, like सीढ़ियों की तरह, stairs की तरह होती है. So we'll read about that. Some plateaus are extremely large and covered hundreds of kilometers. For example, the Deccan Plateau in India is a large plateau which extends over 8 states. ये एक्सटेंड्स होती हैं ओवर, एक डेक्कन प्लेट्यू है हमारा इंडिया में सबसे लार्जेस्ट प्लेट्यू, that covers most of the South India. It is triangular in shape. It extends over 8 Indian states like Telangana, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, and Western and Eastern Ghats also. So it creates the shape of a triangular shape. So I talk about canyon, a valley, a low area of land between hills or mountains, typically with a river or stream flowing through it. We call it canyons or canyons. So some plateaus are rich in mineral sources which are very useful for us. For example, the Chota Nagpur plateau in India is rich in coal, iron and bauxite. Bauxite are red rocks. And manganese and copper. Magnesium metal. जिसकी steel बनती है, which are creating that steel, that is manganese. Some of the plateaus have deep canyons, which I told you, such as the Grand Canyon in the Colorado Plateau of the United States of America. The Grand Canyon, the names, where is it? It is in the United States of America. I will also show you a video of plateaus. Please see carefully and then I come back to you.
Highland areas among steep slopes of surrounding hills. Highland areas among steep slopes of surrounding hills. These are raised, flat surface.
See the picture of plateau. Above the land, a highland, but with the flat top. So it is known as tableland.
Areas bounded on one or more sides by cliffs or
की boundary बन चुकी है. Steep slopes. Cliff means steep slopes. जैसे stairs होती हैं. You can see like stairs. It forms like a stairs or tableland. It forms and steep slopes. बड़ी गहरी steep slopes जा रही है. अंदर की तरफ slopes हो रही है.
Steep slopes. Some plateaus are the Tibetan Plateau, the Antarctica Plateau, and the Deccan.
Yes, Tibetan Plateau, Antarctica Plateau, and Deccan Plateau, which I have talked about. The Deccan Plateau in India is the largest plateau, which extend over 8 states. Indian states, southern India, it falls in the southern India, the central India. So, you have questions also, I know. Okay, I'll come back to you. You can ask me if you have any problem. Yes, raise your hand. Yes, Mehak Preet Kaur. Yes, Mehak, what is your question?
Ma'am, can you tell me about hills?
Yes, why not? See, there is need to know about mountains and hills. Mountains are very high and hills are small. A group of mountains then join together form a mountain range, and the which are smaller hills. Hills are formed with the debris, the scattered forms of the silt. जो रेत होती है, जो चट्टान के पीस होते हैं, जब नेचुरल क्लैमिटीज होती हैं, रॉक्स टूट जाती हैं तो उनके छोटे छोटे पीस स्कैटर्ड हो जाते हैं, फिर हवा के कारण वो सारे इकट्ठे हो जाते हैं और धीरे 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 इसको काफी साल लग जाते हैं बनने में, many years, तो धीरे धीरे वो हिल्स बन जाती हैं. Understood? Okay. Another girl, Akshita Chaudhary.
Ma'am?
Yes, Akshita.
Ma'am, if mountain is bigger than hills, then
Yes.
plateau is bigger than hill or not?
Plateaus is a different shape. It's a different shape. Yes, they are above the ground level. Land से थोड़े ऊंची होती है. ये भी फॉर्म एक रॉक की ही फॉर्म है, माउंटेन्स की ही फॉर्म है. but the shape is different. Understood? Shape is like tableland. Understood?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you,
Okay.
ma'am.
It's all right. Alia Mahajan. Yes, Alia?
Ma'am, can you explain me plateaus again?
Yes, why not? Plateau is a highland. Land से थोड़ा ऊंचा होता है, but with the flat top. I have shown you the picture also, like tables and like stairs. That's why हम इसको टेबल लैंड भी कहते हैं. ये सेपरेट हो जाता है जहां पे वो एरिया उस एरिया से अलग हो जाता है, उसकी स्लोप्स बन जाती है. दैट्स वाई वो हम उसको टेबल लैंड बोलते हैं. अंडरस्टूड?
Yes, ma'am.
अंडरस्टूड? ओके. एनी अदर गर्ल? महिका जम्वाल. यस महिका. Yes. Sanvi? Yes, Sanvi.
Ma'am, I don't understand. In mountains, features of mountains, third point.
Okay, third point. Third point, features of mountains, third point. Okay, the third point features are people mostly live on the foothills and the lower part of the mountains. I have shown you in the video na foothills. ऊपर क्या है, बड़े बड़े माउंटेन्स हैं, उसके बाद छोटी छोटी हिल्स है. हिल्स के साथ क्या है? लैंड है. फुट का मतलब क्या होता है? पैर. तो हिल्स के पैरों के साथ लोग लैंड पे रह रहे हैं. अंडरस्टूड? डिड यू गेट सानवी?
Yes, ma'am.
सानवी. ओके. धृति? ओके. धृति, yes, your answer, your question. Sorry, your question. Dhriti, speak out. Unmute yourself, Dhriti. Okay, leave. Ariba?
Ma'am, I did not understand features of plains first point. Yes, ma'am.
Features of?
Plains
Features
first
of?
point.
First point, okay. Plains, I have not taught you plain. Hills are plains.
Ma'am,
Dhriti,
hills,
speak.
sorry.
Hills, yes.
Ma'am, I
yes, I
want
did.
to know hills.
Okay. The peaks of the mountains remain covered with snow. जो आप देखते हो पहाड़ कैसे बना होता है ट्रायंगुलर, ऊपर उसकी पीक होती है टॉप पे. तो आप क्या देखते हो वहां पे? अगर पिक्चर्स देखो, सीनरी बनाओ, क्या बनाते हो उसको? स्नो बनाते हो ना वहां पे. तो
Yes,
वो
ma'am.
कवर्ड होती है मोस्ट ऑफ द ईयर, क्योंकि वहां वो वेदर कंडीशंस होती हैं, वो ठंड होती है वहां पे, इसलिए वो स्नो से कवर्ड रहते हैं. तो वहां क्या होती है? वेजिटेशन नहीं होते. जहां भी जो ज्यादा क्लाइमेट कोल्ड होगा वहां प्लांट्स कम होंगे. तो वेजिटेशन मींस प्लांट्स कम होते हैं. अंडरस्टूड?
And ma'am, we have not got the question answer of third lesson, so I have written in my
Okay, no
notebook by
problem.
myself.
From today
Am I
onwards, I
written?
will. Okay, I will send you all the material. You don't worry. Okay.
Ma'am, I have written by myself.
Good, very good girl. Yes, you can write by yourself. By reading is very important. Students, please read the chapter. Do you have book? And I have also sent you the PDF of book lesson. So read from there. Yes, Jia Malik, your question. Yes, Jia.
Ma'am, where is Great Canyon found?
Yes, I will tell you. It is also in your book. The picture is given in your book. Do you have book?
Yes,
You can
ma'am.
open the book. See your book, page number 20. See your book, page number 20.
Yes, ma'am.
What is written here? Just read that paragraph. Some of
Some
the
of
plateaus.
the plateaus
Yes,
have deep canyons such as Grand Canyon in the Colorado Plateau. Colorado Plateau of the United States of America.
So where is that plateau? Where is that now?
United States of America.
Yes. Now you understood? Okay. Ariba Malik, what is your question, Ariba Malik? Ariba,
Yes, ma'am.
what is your
Ma'am,
question?
I want to understand canines. Canine.
Canyons are like valleys, deep valleys. यहाँ क्या होते हैं, दो पहाड़ होते हैं, उनके बीच में क्या होती है, छोटे छोटे हिल्स होते हैं, वहां पे क्या रिवर फ्लो कर रही है. अंडरस्टूड? उसको क्या बोलते हैं. और वहां पे जैसे है वो सेपरेट हो जाता है बिकॉज ऑफ द फ्लोइंग वाटर. तो वहां पे रहते भी है लोग, वैलीज बोलते हैं उसको. अंडरस्टूड? नियर द लैंड, सराउंडेड नियर द लैंड. डिड यू गेट?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you can see page number 20.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you get?
Yeah, yes,
a deep
ma'am.
valley through which a river flows. Good. Any other question do you have?
No, ma'am. Thank you,
Okay,
ma'am.
Aradhya, yes, Aradhya.
Excuse
Yes,
me, ma'am.
Aradhya.
What is the second name of plateau?
Please speak loudly. What is?
Ma'am, what is the second name of plateau?
Tableland. Why? Why we call it tableland? Anybody please can tell? Sargun Kaur?
I have that question.
No, Sargun, tell me. Why we call plateau a tableland?
Mama.
Tableland.
Mama, I have to ask you this question.
Okay. You have book, Sargun?
Yes, ma'am.
Open page number 20. Yes, read about plateaus. Read about plateaus. Very good. Pay attention, everyone. See at your book.
Plateaus are also highlands, but they have a flat top, so they are also known as tableland.
Tableland, क्योंकि उनकी flat top होती है, जो ऊपर वाला हिस्सा होता है वो क्या होता है, flat होता है. That's why we are saying. Radhya, you have asked the question. No, you understood?
Yes,
okay.
ma'am.
Yes. Now Vaishnavi Bhagat. Yes, Vaishnavi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, what are plateaus?
A plateau is a highland. जमीन से थोड़ा ऊपर होते हैं वो, but with a flat top. उनकी टॉप जो होती है, टेबल देखा हो अपने घर में, उसकी तरह उसका सरफेस होता है. जैसे सीढ़ियां भी होती है वो भी फ्लैट होती है ना. हाँ, यस यस. ओके, भव्या. यस भव्या. डोंट आस्क मी same question.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of Andes?
What?
Andes.
Yes, Andes are the examples of mountain ranges according to their heights. That is in South America. These are the mountains which falls in the South America. We have named them Andes. Okay, name of the mountain. Okay, good. Ananya Sharma. Yes, Ananya.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes.
can you explain me plateau?
You have book. See page number 20. Read out. Plateaus, read out. Read. Read it, Ananya. A plateau is a highland. Where are you, Ananya? Okay, I'll take another girl. Ridhima Narayana. Yes, Ridhima. Yes, Ridhima.
Ma'am, can you explain me the features of mountain?
Features, all features. So, page number.
Of mountain.
Yes, page number 19. Open.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have book? Open page number 19.
Yes.
Navya, sit proper. Navya, sit properly. Yes, speak out. Features are mountains. Speak out.
The peaks of
Yes,
the mountain remain covered with snow for most of the year, so there is little or no vegetation.
Yes, just wait. Just wait. Just wait. Yes. What you have read, the peaks of the mountains, जो mountains का top होता है, वो किससे cover होता है? Snow से. पूरे साल ही वो snow से cover रहता है. उस snow के कारण वहां पे plants ज्यादा नहीं उगते हैं. Understood? Second पढ़ो. Due to extreme weather, very cold weather होता है वह माउंटेन्स रीजन में, और वहां क्या होती है, इसलिए पॉपुलेशन भी कम होगी. अगर वेजिटेशन नहीं होगी तो पॉपुलेशन भी कम होगी. और लोग क्या करते हैं वहां पे, कहाँ रहते हैं? माउंटेन्स के ऊपर जाके थोड़ी रहेंगे. यहाँ पे उनको सूटेबल क्लाइमेट होगा, फुट हिल्स में रहते हैं, लिविंग इन द फुट हिल्स. और ये माउंटेन्स आर नेचुरल बैरियर्स है. जब बड़ी ज्यादा तेज हवाएं चलती हैं ठंडी, तो ये हमें बचाती है ठंडी हवाएं से, क्योंकि उनके आगे बड़े बड़े माउंटेन्स आ जाते हैं. वो हमारे लिए रुकावट बन जाते हैं, हमें प्रिवेंट करते हैं कोल्ड विंड से और हॉट विंड से. अंडरस्टूड? Understood? Okay. Then Mishti Sharma. Yes, Mishti? Yes, Mishti? Okay, no question?
Ma'am, I don't understand the plateaus.
Okay. So students, I am again going to show you video of plateaus. Then you understand, then I'll teach you plains. Okay.
Ma'am, I don't understand.
See carefully. I'll show you picture also.
Highland areas among steep slopes of surrounding hills. These are raised, flat-surfaced areas bounded among steep slopes
See the
of
picture. You can see raised part होता है उठा हुआ हिस्सा लैंड से. You can see in the picture, वो टेबल की तरह बना हुआ है, और अंदर जाके स्टीप है, अंदर जाके उसकी स्लोप्स बनी हुई है. We call it plateaus.
surrounding hills. These are raised, flat-surfaced areas bounded on one or more sides by cliffs or
See, raised flat surfaced area bounded by cliffs or steep slopes. Steep slopes से ये bound हुआ है, जैसे stairs बनी हुई है, वो bound. वो जो छोटी छोटी पहाड़ियां हैं उसने उसको घेरा हुआ है, किसको? प्लेट्यूज को. पहले पहाड़ियां हैं और उसके अंदर क्या आ गया है? प्लेट्यूज आ गए.
or steep slopes. Some plateaus are the Tibetan Plateau, the Antarctica Plateau, and
See,
the
different shapes
Deccan
of plateaus you can see. The in first picture, Tibetan plateau, these are the plain, not much high raised. Mountain you can see, then hills, then plateaus you can see where the animals are grazing. And Antarctica plateau, see snow everywhere, snow because of the cold climate. And Deccan, which I have shown you, it is India's largest plateau, and I have told you the states also, which states it forms. The 8 states. It covers the 8 states. These are the Indian Deccan plateaus in India. I think you understood. No, I will move forward to the plains now. I will explain you the plains. I will also send you the video. You see and try to understand. Plains. You see it carefully, understand. Then next class we will discuss about plains. See, now I have taught you about mountains, hills, plateaus and canyons. So the third important major landform is plain. Where you living? You're growing plants. A plain is a flat area on earth. Sir, ये बिल्कुल फ्लैट एरिया है और आपकी अर्थ पे है. यहाँ पे आप मकान बना के रह रहे हो, चल रहे हो, घूम रहे हो, walking. Your house made houses. So a plain is a flat area on earth's surface. Plains are the large areas, बहुत सारे areas on the flat lands that extend, covers किया हुआ है उसने over thousands of kilometers. There are high or low points in plains. कहीं से high है, कहीं से low है. Sometimes they have a gentle slopes. Plains are formed by rivers that rise in the mountains and flow down. In the process, rivers carry sand and silt along and deposit them on river banks. Over a period of time, plains are formed by these deposits. See, students, how the plains are formed. See, when the snow melts and it brings water from rivers, and with water they carry sand, silt and sometimes pieces of rocks, and they deposit. ये जमा हो जाते हैं और ये फ्लैट लैंड बन जाती है. इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? प्लेन्स बोलते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द नॉर्दर्न प्लेन्स इन इंडिया have been formed by the river Ganga, Yamuna and tributaries. आपने देखा है गंगा के साथ ही प्लेन प्लेस है, यमुना एंड उसकी छोटी छोटी और नदियां जब ये फॉर्म होती हैं और माउंटेन से अपने साथ ये सारा डिपॉजिट लाती हैं, डेब्रिज लाती हैं, पीसीज ऑफ रॉक्स लाती हैं, रेत लाती हैं, सिल्ट लाती हैं, सॉइल लाती हैं, वो सारा यहाँ पे जमा हो जाता है, डिपॉजिट हो जाता है, फिर क्या बन जाता है? लैंड, प्लेन्स बन जाता है, उसको हम बोलते हैं प्लेन एरिया बोलते हैं. I think you understood this, and next class we will discuss about plain areas. If you have question regarding only plains, please ask me. Only plains. If you have question regarding topic plains, and please read your book. Reading is very important. Mitali Mehra. Yes, Mitali, ask question me regarding plains.
No, ma'am, no question regarding plains.
Any other question? Yes, which question
Yes.
do you want?
Ma'am, Grand Canyon.
Where is that? Grand, not grand, grand. It is in your book, page number 20. What is written there? You read and tell me where is it.
Okay, ma'am.
Just read. You people are not reading from the book. No, you tell me the answers now. Read that. Where is that? Read.
Grand.
Read the country. Yes, read. Who else will read? So, Mitali, are you going to read?
Yes,
yes.
ma'am.
It is on page number 20. Did you get? Yes. Okay, you don't have. So, Sanvi Rajput, can you tell me?
Yes,
Where is that Grand Canyon?
Ma'am, what?
The question that Mitali has asked the question, did you hear that question? That means
No,
you people
ma'am.
are not paying attention. Why you are not paying attention? You should pay attention. If any girl can, Jia Malik. Yes, tell. What was the question, Jia Malik?
Ma'am, she is saying what is Grand Canyon.
Where is?
Ma'am, at the page 20, features of
You tell me.
plateau, last part.
Yes, you
Some
tell me
of the plateaus
place. You
have
tell me the place. In which country? Tell me the name of the
United
country.
States of America.
No, listen carefully, Jia Malik. Speak again.
Some of the plateaus have deep canyons such as Grand Canyon in the Colorado Plateau of the United States of America.
Yes, very good. Now you have to ask the question and answer. You have to give the answer also. Now who will ask the question now? Navya. Navya, ask the question. Ask question, Navya. Yes, Navya. Navya, unmute yourself. Yes, Navya, ask me the question.
Features of plateau.
What? Features of?
No.
Features of?
Plain.
I have not taught features of plain. Which I have taught you, ask question that. There is need to pay attention. Don't hold phone like that. Who will ask the question? Aradhya? Yes, Aradhya, ask question.
Ma'am, can you tell me what is the meaning of land masses?
What? Land masses. जो लैंड्स के पार्ट्स होते हैं उसको बोलते हैं लैंड मास. लैंड में क्या क्या पार्ट्स हैं लैंड के? कुछ रेज्ड है, कुछ उसके लेवल के हैं, कुछ कम रेज्ड है, कुछ बहुत ज्यादा हाई रेज. उसको लैंड मासेस बोलते हैं, उसके पार्ट्स, लैंड के पार्ट्स, लैंड फॉर्म्स जिसको, उसको लैंड मासेस बोलते हैं. अंडरस्टूड? धृति, प्लीज आस्क एनी क्वेश्चन. Ask any question to your classmates.
Please explain second paragraph of plains.
Okay. Yes. Second paragraph. Plains are found by rivers that rise in the mountains and flow down. Plains कैसे बनते हैं? Rivers के कारण ही बनते हैं. That rise in the mountains and flow down. जो माउंटेन्स कितने ज्यादा ऊंचे जा चुके हैं माउंटेन की तरह, और उतने ही ज्यादा नीचे फ्लो डाउन हो रहे हैं. कैसे हो रहे हैं कि जब माउंटेन्स फॉर्म्ड हुए हैं उनके साथ पे क्या है? रॉक्स है, मिनरल्स है, सैंड है, सिल्ट है, क्ले है. When snow melts from the mountains and then forms the plains. वो जो वाटर आता है, रिवर्स आता है, that also brings the material to the material down and then forms the plains. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, student, read books. I will give you the answers of lesson 3, but there is need to read the chapter. Next time I will make you to read the chapter in front of me. Understood? So okay, bye, take care and do your work properly in good handwriting. Maintain your notebooks.
Okay,
Bye. All the best. Bye. Take care.
Okay, ma'am.